And we're back to Photoshop Retouching. Let me show you how you can intensify the lips. All that we need is a solid color adjustment layer. Switch to the layer mask, press Ctrl I. This should make it black and you can see the original again. We're still on the layer mask and now we use the brush. We make white our foreground color. Let me increase the size a little bit to 50 maybe. And now we paint over the lips. And good news is you don't even have to be perfect here. So if I hit the teeth a little bit or I'm going a little bit too far, it doesn't matter here that much. Obviously, if you want to have every detail covered, then zoom in, go down with the brush size and fix it. But you will see why it doesn't matter that much once I'm done here. Because now that I've got this area covered, I simply switch to blending mode. I go to hue right here and it's going to blend it with the color below, so the color of the original. And you can see neither the teeth nor the skin is that much affected. The original color was reddish, so I go to a red solid adjustment layer. And by using this method, it blends it with the original color. Therefore, it looks very natural. When you have red lips, it's usually the best idea to stick to red and then simply switch to hue, and this should intensify the lip color. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.